Screen turns on but shows no signal, or it stays blank even though your computer is running. This usually means the monitor isn't receiving input, not that it's broken. With an AOC monitor, the issue is often related to cable connection, input source, or device detection. You might notice the monitor powers up normally, but nothing displays. In some cases, the cable isn't fully connected, or the wrong input source is selected. Other times, the computer hasn't detected the monitor yet, especially after startup or sleep mode. Instead of reconnecting everything randomly, these are the steps you can try to fix this and restore display output. 1. Check that the HDMI or DisplayPort cable is securely connected. 2. Make sure the monitor is set to the correct input source. 3. Restart your computer to refresh display detection. 4. Try a different cable or port if available. 5. Disconnect and reconnect the monitor from power. 6. Test with another device to confirm the monitor works.